anxiety. Yes, because Damajagua Waterfalls is not located at the city, it's inside the jungle. Ready?
Good morning, homies, and welcome to the Damajagua Waterfalls. I'm going to be your host for the day, your homie for the day on the Damajagua Waterfalls. Take you on this great adventure. Hope you enjoy it.
What?
Wait, it's coming.
How was it?
In Jamaica.
How was it?
It was fantastic. Refreshing. Great adventure. I give about an 8.5 out of 10. Felt a bit rushed. One thing I would definitely recommend is that you wear a good hiking water shoe. I think that you'll appreciate it with the rocks that you have. But jump wasn't too bad. Slides were awesome, and it was a good time overall. So make sure you like and subscribe.
Thank you very much, familia, for coming. Thank you for choosing us as one of your holiday destinations, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you very much.